What's up, guys and gals? Anthony here with Special Analysis. Hope you're having a wonderful Monday. Want to talk about the NASDAQ this morning. I just shot my prior video on the profit pack. I'm going to show you where that entry was on the technical chart. And then I'm going to show you a couple technical entries along the way. And then I'm going to show you the opening range. I mean, just flawless climb into two targets. So let's break it down here. This is the NASDAQ 100. My name's Anthony Special from Special Analysis. Today, the date is October 16, 2023. Happy fucking Monday, friends. And we are talking about making money. So profit pack triggers an entry right here and around this area. Okay, so we place the bottom here. Impulse correction, impulse correction. This is where the profit pack says, hey, it's a pretty good chance things might go higher from here, okay? So we've made higher lows, we've made higher highs, and this is, again, the corrective area. So we're fighting the VWAP here. Fast-moving averages are trying to get in sync. The MACD is all trying to get in sync. Now, higher highs, higher lows, trends starting to develop. If you had the confidence to take that entry, then fantastic. Again, you would have just bought right in and around this area here, and you would have just placed your stop right there, and you would have been in it for this entire move. Now, if you say, hey, listen, I love the profit pack. I love what it does. I love what it offers, but I also love that extra level of confidence by technical confirmation. Okay, so what do we have? Market starts to kind of push out here. We break through some areas here of resistance. We pull up. We correct really slightly. And right in this area, everything starts to come together. So we push into a daily and weekly pivot. You can see price action pulls back. We break out again. Price action pulls back. And then the opening bell hits. And guys, the market just rips higher, corrects again. Fast-moving averages all in sync. We come right back up, and a break of the opening range, which is what we got right here on this candle. Okay? This checked all of our boxes. Now, if you're a member of the Daily Live Trade Room, you have access to my trade plan. You have access to my checklist, and you will hear me say, we're checking all the boxes. Now, in order for me to place a trade, I want all my boxes checked. It's just who I am. I'm a very conservative trader. I'm not in a rush. I'm happy to wait for the market to give me what I'm looking for. So here we go. This checks my boxes. 21, 13, 8 EMA, all in line. What does that tell me? Short-term trend is intact. MACD, histogram is rising off the zero line. That's great. Signal line and moving average are both leading the histogram. Also great. Fixed VWAP, rolling VWAP, both rising. 15-minute 21 EMA at these dots. 15-minute 8 EMA on these dots, both rising. 15-minute bias is long. And if I look below, what's the majority of my volume? The majority of my volume is buying volume, right? We don't find selling volume until we test this channel line right here. So I knew when I got into this position right here that I was going to risk this candle and this candle. Whatever the low was between the two, add a few 2, 3, 5 ticks, whatever you're comfortable with, you place your stop right down there. I knew my first target was right here at this daily pivot. So at my first target, I'm getting a 2.46 risk-reward ratio. Okay? I want to see my first profit-taking opportunity be at least 2 to 1. At least 2 to 1, okay? Because I know that I'm going to sell part of my position here, and I'm going to move my stop to break even at that point. Whether I sell a third, a quarter, half, whatever it is I sell here, I'm going to sell a chunk of my position. I'm going to take my stop. I'm going to move it to my entry. I have paid and protected myself. Upon hitting target number 2, which is this channel line overhead, right there, it's 3.66 to 1 on the risk-reward ratio. I'm going to sell more of my position right there. Now, my stop's at my entry. I've sold a portion and a portion, and now I just sit back and relax. Ultimately, a little while later, price doesn't end up going any higher, and it comes down to just exit the last portion of my trade. You can do that so that you're in the market in case it does go higher. The other option is when the MACD crosses, just exit the trade. So you could have exited the balance of your trade right here. Still would have been fairly deep in the profit. Not as much as the first target, but still probably a 2-to-1 risk-reward ratio. Guys, this trade that took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that took 15 minutes to transpire, should have paid your mortgage on a Monday morning before 10:30 in the morning, at 10:30 in the morning. If you don't own the profit pack, there's still no reason to have missed out on this fantastic technical move, or if you were waiting for the technical move to come in line with the profit pack, whatever it is you're doing, if you entered here and you got all this, God bless you. What an incredible run. If you didn't and you were waiting for the technical setup, guys, this is as clean as it gets. Break of the opening range. We're not risking any more than just 2 candles. Enter the market. 2.7 something to 1 risk reward on the first, 3.6 to 1 on the second target. Again, you could have exited when the MACD crossed right here. I mean, or just let it go and your balance would have got broken at stop even. It stopped out at break even. You could have hovered under this little candle in the middle as well. It's a handful of things you could have done. But at the end of the day, you paid yourself and you protected yourself. And that is the method to ultimately being successful in this business. Guys, if you're sitting on the sidelines or you're trading and struggling, whether you need me to interpret the market for you or you need the technology or you need both, whatever it may be, the more time you sit stagnant, floundering, and getting flustered, the less likely you are to find the success that you deserve. I'm here to work with you Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Guys, with the exception of doctor's appointments, like I don't miss a day of trading. It's how I pay my bills. So I'm going to be there with you, telling you what I see, what I like, and what I don't like, so that you can focus on making the right choice for yourself. I'll see you in the next video. This is Anthony Speciale here. God bless you, and I will talk to you soon.